Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. This is under Mathematics 5. Let us have divisibility rules for number 2. The number is divisible by 2 if the number is even. That is, the ones digit of the whole number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. To sum it up, you have to identify first if the number is an even number. An even number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So therefore, if the number is not an even number, automatically it is not divisible by 2. Let us have our example. Determine whether the given is divisible by 2. Number 1, 50. 50 ends in what digit? 50 ends in 0. Is it an even number? Yes or no? 50 is an even number because it ends in 0. And because 50 is an even number, automatically it is divisible by 2. So therefore, it is a yes. Next, example 2. We have here 37. 37 ends with 7. Is it an even number? No, it is not. Because 7 doesn't end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So, it is not an even number. It is a no. It is not divisible by 2. 126. 126 ends in 6. Is it an even number? Yes, it is. Why? Because it ends in 6. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, because even numbers are divisible by 2. Number 4, we have here 91,022. 91,022 ends in 2. Is it an even number? Yes, it is because it ends with 2. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, because it is an even number. So that is how you identify numbers that are divisible by 2. Divisible by 5. The number is divisible by 5 if the ones digit of the whole number ends with 0 or 5. So we have to focus at the last digit of the number. It should be 0 or 5 to identify it or to consider it to be invisible by 5. Next, determine whether the given number is divisible by 5. Example 1, 127. The last digit is 7. Is it divisible by 5? No, it is not. Why? It is because it does not end with 0 or 5. Next, 355. The last digit of 355 is 5. Is it divisible by 5? Yes, it is. It is divisible by 5. Why? It is because it ends with 0 or 5. Next, example 3. We have here 1000. What is the last digit of 1000? It is 0. Is it divisible by 5? Yes or no? Yes, it is. Why? It is because it ends with 0 or 5. Example 4. We have here 14,567. What is the last digit of 14,567? That is 7, correct. Is it divisible by 5? Yes, it is not divisible by 5. Again, yes, it is not divisible by 5. Why is it not divisible by 5? It is because 14,567 does not end with 0 or 5, so therefore it is a no. Let us have divisible by 10. The number is divisible by 10 if the ones digit of the whole number ends in 0. Let's start. Determine whether the given number is divisible by 10. Number 1, 400. What is the last digit of 400? That is 0, correct. Is it divisible by 10? Yes, it is because the last digit of 400 is 0. Example 2, 785. What is the last digit of 785? It is 5. Is it divisible by 10? No. Why no? It is because it does not end in 0. Example 3, 1000. What is the last digit of 1000? That is 0, correct. Is it divisible by 10? Yes. Why yes? It is because it ends in 0. So that is all for divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. Kindly remember all of the rules for 2, 5, and 10. If you have further inquiries or question about this topic, kindly message the Honors Tutorials page. Thank you and God bless.